So moving on from talking about AI principles, we are now moving into AI management system, ISO 42001. We are going to talk about the practical concepts and the real impact of this ISO standard on AI utilization. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you have been regularly watching new content on data privacy and artificial intelligence. And as I said, we are going to talk about AIMS ISO 42001 in today's video and in subsequent videos in the series. Principles are the starting point. That's where from you start, right? Artificial intelligence also has principles. So you have to start over there also through principles. They help you establish organizational expectations. What is the organization doing? Where is the organization heading on? And that's true for any business. It's not only for artificial intelligence. Every organization, when it is set up, works on a basic set of principles. The thought process of the founders as to how the organization would work. When you bring in an AI tool, it has to have its own principles to let the organization set up their expectations on how the tool would work. And a business owner or a business system who sets the expectation of what they need, tool gets decided accordingly. So it's a win-win situation for both. It's done in a collaboration. Principles do not create clones, they create organizations. Governance requires both ownership as well as processes. Otherwise, anyone can use anything anyway and does not make sense. And overall, the governance also needs to demonstrate its effectiveness. Very, very important thing. It's not just a framework that is created, it does not work. The gap comes up where AI appears across multiple business functions and the ownership gets fragmented. The tools are deployed, they work across organization. Who owns it? The utilization gets fragmented, uses various people, gets you good results, but who owns it? No one. And that's where the problem lies. The risk differs across different use cases, right? So, finance person would have a different risk, and a logistics person would have a different risks. And third-party tools increase the complexity because then every third-party tool is not tailor-made for you, right? So you might have to tweak. Good, bad, no one knows. Policies can fall behind the actual utilization or the actual usage of artificial intelligence. What is the AMS, Artificial Intelligence Management System? It's a structured approach of managing artificial intelligence. It integrates governance within the organization, establishes responsibilities and processes, and addresses the AI risks and opportunities. It supports monitoring and continuous improvement. That's something which is very, very important. That AIMS supports monitoring and continual improvement. And that's what a framework or a management system is supposed to do. The principles become processes, and the processes have to be repeated. They have to become repeatable processes. The context shapes the governance approach. Leadership establishes the directions. The risks are proportionate across departments, and therefore controls also have to be made accordingly. Governance follows the life cycle of the artificial intelligence tool, and the performance is monitored and reviewed on a daily or a regular basis. AI governance is a team sport, it's not an individual game. The leadership defines the directions and accountability. We want this to be controlled like this. Maybe not the intended outcome because that's what the business owner needs. He would tell you what result am I looking for which I am looking to seek a AI help, right? But the leadership defines the directions and accountability. The technology understands the systems and therefore recommend which one is going to help the business owners and also take care of the leadership's interest towards accountability. Risk, privacy, and security teams, they are the one who are going to keep an oversight. Is it working fine or not? And the governance, as I said in so many different ways, is a cross-functional collaboration. It's not a one-way item. Key takeaways: principles alone do not create governance. AI governance requires a very structured process. AI management system is an organization's own management system, and ISO 42001 provides a systemic approach to control this. And that's what we are going to discuss in the coming videos. So stay tuned with my channel, subscribe to it, and share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.